Hello students, welcome to online lectures of Kids Planet High School. This lecture is for class 3, subject English, poem After School. Let's begin. After school. Children, in this poem we will see what happens when a day in school finishes. What do children do when a day in school finishes? Let us now recite the poem. Although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day. And off we go to play and romp, while teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself, but then perhaps she doesn't mind. Let us now understand the first stanza. Although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day. Children, in school, we study, we learn, we play, we sing, we dance, we paint, and we do many other activities. We enjoy going to school, learning in school, and playing with our friends. Children, because of all these reasons, in this poem, the students are saying that we all like to go to school, but we are also glad, happy to pack our bags, to keep our books, slates, and all other things in our bag when it is over for the day. They are saying that we like to put away our things, pack our bags, our water bottle, tiffin box, etc. when the bell for the last lecture rings, when the day in school is finished. Let us now understand the second stanza. And off we go to play and romp, while teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself, but then perhaps she doesn't mind. Children, here romp means to play in a happy and noisy way. When it is over for the day, the students rush to the playground to play and make noise and be happy with their friends. Children, when the school is over for the day, the students leave the classroom and their teacher is left all alone in the school. But then, perhaps, possibly, she doesn't mind. Children, the teacher teaches you in school, she takes care of you, helps you in your work, and after school, she also drops you to the school gate and says goodbye. When all the students go home, the teacher is left all alone in the school, but she doesn't mind, she doesn't feel bad, because she will also go home after finishing her work. So children, this was all about the poem After School.